we're gonna spill the tea on all the deals we found in this video.
Complete with the daddy long legs for free.
$20. I know there's good stuff to be found. Oh, I spotted Danielle.
Gosh, I really feel like the pressure is on.
Hey guys, welcome back to the world's longest yard sale. So I had so much fun here last year that this year I decided to bring some friends, and just to make it interesting, we are doing the $20 world's longest yard sale challenge. Now, if you haven't heard of that, it's because I just made it up, but we are each going to take $20 and we are going to try to find the best potential DIY project. At the end of the video, you guys get to vote on what you want to see us create, so it's only going to get hotter. I think we should get to it. What do you guys say?
Let's do it. Let's go.
All right, it's on. Let's go.
My strategy is to find something totally unexpected, yet affordable, that I can turn into wall art. The best thing about going to a yard sale is seeing stuff that you never would have thought of buying. So I'm trying to find that like X factor in my piece so that I can transform it for you guys.
These are the coolest table legs, and it's 25 for 4. And I'm sure, I think I could ask if he would take 20 for all 4. And look at the detail, the little claw foot and glass ball on the bottom. But I just don't, I'm trying to think what I could do besides making a table. But I mean, I guess I could put a suitcase or something on the top and make a really unique table. But I'm trying to think of something a little more creative than what their original purpose was. But they're beautiful. I love the detail and the spindle and the foot. I'm gonna think about it, see what else I can find in this field. This kind of caught my eye. It's $10. I don't know, maybe I could turn it into a bed for my dog. I don't know, I'm not ready to settle yet. I'm gonna put it back, but I'm gonna remember, I'm gonna keep this in mind.
Okay, what I would really like to find is a really cool lamp that could be like the base of a table, or something that I could turn into a light fixture. So I'm either going to turn a light fixture into something else, or I'm going to turn something into a light fixture. That's the only strategy I have.
Okay, so I'm thinking about buying this tennis racket. Stay with me. I love tennis, but also I have seen some really cool embroidery projects using a tennis racket as the base. I already embroidered a sofa, so I'm a little bit crazy. So this is just the project for me. And this is only $15. I think I found my project, guys.
So I found this. It is well within our budget. It was 15, it's marked down to 10. It's some kind of basket. I have no idea what it would have originally been used for, but I think it would make a really cool chandelier. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so this is my thing. This is what I'm going with. I feel good about it. You jealous, Miriam? Jealous?
No. Okay, look at this little bird cage. Oh guys, how cute would this be? Almost like an open air terrarium. You could put succulents in the base. It's so cute. It doesn't have a price on it. It's probably not a great sign. But man, that is adorable. It's a definite contender.
So adorable.
Vote for me. All right, guys, so we had a pretty productive day at the world's longest yard sale, and we might have made a few personal purchases, but for our challenge, I selected this bird cage. My plan for this is to turn it into a succulent planter that you can hang. So I'm going to line the bottom and fill it with succulents, have some spilling out. I'm gonna hang it. It's gonna be so cute. So if you guys wanna see me turn this into an adorable succulent hanger, vote for me.
Okay guys, I decided to stop crafting and take up professional tennis. No, actually, I found this really cool tennis racket, and I love doing, some might say, tedious projects. So I thought it would be a great idea to embroider a flower pattern onto this tennis racket and use it as part of a gallery wall. So if you want to see this project come together, vote for me. You won't regret it. It's gonna look amazing. This project will be a grand slam. And I can't even tip.
Wow, you're gonna blood
Backhand.
Okay, so I found this old wooden crate that I'm going to turn into an outdoor storage ottoman. I think I'm gonna add caster wheels, a top, and some pretty outdoor fabric, and it'll be great for storage and for using as a footstool. So if you wanna see this, turn into that, vote for me.
All right, so we are back, and I am hot and tired and broke because I bought most of this stuff for myself. But I did follow the rules and get my project piece. So I bought this basket. If you actually have any idea what it was originally used for, let us know. I'm not sure. We're thinking maybe a gardening basket, but it's really unique. But for this project, this bottom's kind of rotting out. I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna turn it into a hanging light fixture. So, like I said, I've never done anything with lighting before. We're gonna see how it turns out, but I think it'll look really sophisticated. So if you wanna see this turn into a light fixture, vote for Jill.
All right, guys, I hope you have enjoyed yet another successful year at the world's longest yard sale.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
And subscribe.
And don't forget to vote. Remember, vote for Jill.
No, vote for me.
Vote for me.
Go vote down below.
Rolling.
This isn't rolling.
Picture this rolling. I want you to visualize this rolling. Oh, I got it. See? It's like a footrest.
Yeah, it's gonna be perfect. You're definitely gonna win.
Vote for not Jill.
Oh! Shots fired!